Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I would do an unboxing for my latest luxury scent box, Lux SB. It's been a while since I brought you one. There was a delay with the September-October box. So I'm bringing you November/December previews of what you could have in your box. So if you guys would like to know what previews I have inside here and the scents, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you're not familiar, Lux SB is a subscription box for fragrances, men's or women's, either one. They're interchangeable, so you can order men's fragrance, women's fragrance, doesn't matter, you don't have to stick to one or the other. They send you enough to try for a full month, which I think is great. They have premium scents and then regular scents, so if you want to pay the higher price tag, you can get the premium, like top shelf scents. So they send me a few every month to share with you guys as potential scents that you could get in your box. So let's jump right in. They all come in boxes like this, Lux SB, and they all come in little canisters like this. What's nice about this is that you twist to open, twist to close. They're travel friendly. They're not going to be spilling on you. They're not going to be dispensing on you. The way to see what is inside the particular canister is you twist it open, pull it out, and then inside is the name of the scent, and they're interchangeable. This one is Montel Tropical Wood Eau de Parfum. So let's see what this one smells like. Okay, this one's like a musky, woodsy scent, but I'm not a big fan. This reminds me of like my 90-year-old grandpa that used to be living. It doesn't smell like a current scent to me, but that's just me. I will leave the notes down here below when I'm editing this video. So that's the first one. Next one comes in a blue canister. This one is Juliette Has a Gun Vanilla Vibes. Now we're talking. Okay, I like that. A little bit of like Prada candy vibes. I feel like there's a little bit something herbal to it too. I like this one. It's a mix between like a men's cologne that I would normally wear and a sweet perfume that I would wear. So I like that. Now normally you only get one in your box, but they send me several to share with you guys as like suggestions or different options that you can pick. You can schedule your box in advance and pick what you want, or you can leave it up to the experts and be surprised. Third one comes in a little purple canister. This one is Christian Siriano Ula Rouge. I have another one from Christian Siriano that I love, so hoping I also like this one. Ooh. Is that a hint of chocolate? I can't place my finger on that one. Definitely a little bit floral. I'm getting chocolate notes. I don't know. I like it, but I can't tell you what it is. So as always, the notes will be here during editing. So last one in this month's box is Silver. And this one is Montel Vanilla Cake. Ooh. Yes, please. Vanilla extract and butter. That's exactly what I'm smelling. Ooh, if you like yummy, delicious scents, you will love this. Definitely high on the butter scent, but I'm okay with smelling like I've been baking in the kitchen all day. I'm okay with that. So of the 4 scents that I received to share with you guys, I would say I like 3 out of the 4. I wasn't a big fan of the first one, but you take the quiz and you can leave it up to experts or you can pick yourself. So it's always fun kind of trying new scents and seeing what you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Lux SB preview. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.